glad you're good. So it's 3:40. School just ended. Are you lost? Mom sent you for tutoring. You need be tutored. Okay. Do you know who your tutor is? Cause maybe I can help you find him. You looking for Lily? That's actually me. My name is Lily. Hi. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Ah, that's a really cool name. Were you born in 2020? I can tell. So, what exactly are we tutoring you for today? I don't remember. Okay, what grade are you in? 3rd grade? Okay, and you need some help? Okay, do you have like a notebook or anything? Okay, I see that you've drawn all the back here. We have a tunnel out face, and we have 6, 7. Okay, so is this really funny? I don't think so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pen. I have my little pencil pouch here for grading because I'm a teacher's assistant. I'm in college. I'm just going to take a pen. I'm feeling red today. And we're gonna cross this out because that's just, it's not appropriate. This pen sucks. Hold on. Pink. No, thank you. Okay. So I see here's the actual assignment. And it looks like there's only 6 problems, so this really shouldn't take us a lot of time. So can you kind of walk me through why you need help? Do you remember what Mama told you? Mom says you're special. Okay. Yeah, I mean, every kid's special in their own way. You didn't come from the special needs class. Okay. Okay, you just need some help. Okay, so I see here we didn't even put our name down, and we didn't put our grade either. So do you know your grade's 3rd? I'm gonna write that in for you, okay? We're gonna put a 3, and see, there's a 3, and then I'm gonna write your name, okay? There we go, there's your name. So it looks like we're starting out here with addition and subtraction. Do you know how to do addition and subtraction? It's really simple. It gets a little bit more difficult when you get down to multiplication and division because you have to remember your timetables. Did you do your timetables? Okay. You don't know all of them? That's okay. That's what I'm here for. So we're gonna start up here, and so it's 327 plus 146. Do you know how to add big numbers? Okay. Do you want to show me? Do you want me to show you? Okay. So I like to start all the way here at the very end, okay? So what is 7 plus 6? Don't say 6, 7. It's not funny. 13, good. Now what do we do with that 1? We write down the 3, and we carry the 1 over to the second colony next to us. So it's 2 plus 4 plus 1. 7, good job. What is 3 plus 1? 4. Our answer is 473. You did your first problem. Was that so hard? No. Our next problem is subtraction. Now, if we look here, we already see a problem. Because if you look, you cannot subtract 5 minus 7. That's a no-no. So, we're going to have to borrow from our buddies right next door, okay? Borrow from your neighbors, right? We're going to have to borrow, okay? So, let's walk through it. So we can't do 5 minus 7, so we're gonna steal from 6, and we're gonna make it 5. And then we're gonna get 15. What's 15 minus 7? It's 8. What's 5 minus 2? 3. And 8 minus 4? 4. So our answer is 438. Now we can always check this. How can we check it? Do you remember what your teacher told you? Correct. So what you do is you take the smaller number, you ignore this, and you take the smaller number and you add it to your answer to see if you get the top number. So let's do 427 plus 438. So we get 15. We carry that. And look what our answer is. 865. We did that right. High five, bud. There we go. So now we're going to get to multiplication and division, and this is where you need to remember your timetables. Do you remember what Miss Johnson taught you about your timetables? Good. So do you remember your 7 and 6s? I know it's kind of up there, right? Let's use your hands, okay? So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. So that's our 7 timetables. And when you look how many hands I'm holding up, we stopped at 42 when I had 6 fingers. So that means 42 is our answer. So if you can't remember your timetables, just get out your hands and add up the numbers. So for example, 7, 14, 21, etc. Okay? Does that make sense? Good, good. We're going to be doing the same thing now, but here we have 8. Okay? Now obviously 56, we don't care about that. Do you remember your 8 timetables? Let's get our hands out, okay? Just watch me, mirror me. So we're gonna go 8, okay, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56. Now how many fingers am I holding up? 7. So what's our answer? 7. Good job. Is this making sense to you? Good. So we're going to flip the page. It looks like on this side we have word problems. Okay? So let's read it. Lily, that's my name, has 24 apples. She shares them equally with 3 friends. How many apples does each friend get? Now this is also a timetables problem. Do you know your 3's better or your 8's better? We just did our 8s. Let's do 8s, okay? Hold your fingers up. Up, up, up. Okay, so we're going to go 8, 16, 24. We reached it. So when we think about that, I kind of gave you the answer. When we count, how many fingers are we holding up for 8? 3. So if you look, we have 3 right here. So 8 times 3 is 24, right? So if we divide 24 by 3, our answer is 8. So each friend gets 8 apples, okay? We have one more word problem. This is also a times table, and I think we had a problem with the same exact thing. Okay, a farmer has 42 cows. If each barn had 7 cows, how many barns does he need? This is a times table one, you're right. If you remember, we just did a problem not that long ago with the same numbers. Do you remember what our answer was? That's okay, we'll use our hands again, okay? Hands up. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. How many fingers do I hold up? 6. Our answer is 6. Good job. All right. So do you understand kind of how this works? It's timetables and holding up your hands, right? Good. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down that I helped you. That way your teacher doesn't think you're cheating with a pink pen. So I'm going to write tutored by. I'm going to put me, okay? Now, anytime you need help, see there's my signature. Anytime you need help, you just come back and let me know, okay? Now next time, can we just try to fill out our name and our grade? Can you do that? Is that hard? Okay. Now see, I filled it out for you this time, but if I see you again, we're not gonna do that, okay? Next time, I would like you to bring this to me with your name and your grade if you want to ever see me again for tutoring, because you do get to pick who tutors you. Your mom and dad pick that, but you have to tell them who you want, okay? So if you want me again, please come back. Actually, for all tutors, it's just common courtesy. Put your name and your grade, okay? And next time, let's not draw 6, 7 on the back, because that's just very 3rd grade of you, and I need you to man up a little bit here, okay? Yep. And also, this is fine. I still do it when I'm in college, so this is fine. But next time, can we make it a little bit smaller? Like, next time, can we just do like a... like that. See how tiny and petite that was? Alright, baby doll. Here's this bag. I'm going to give that to you, okay? I hope to see you again soon, okay? Bye, honey.